Okay, so now we are in adjacent elements product and algorithm from CodeSignal, and you should read the description first, and I will start explaining right now in order to save time. So the first thing we are gonna do is to create a temporary variable because this variable will have the result of all the algorithm at the end of the process of the algorithm. So it will be of type integer, so we'll call it int first product, and this will be equal to the first element of the array multiplied by the second one. So there we have the first part. Now, in order to understand better the first part, we are going to create a loop, of course, because we want to multiply each element by the following one, and then we will do a verification, a validation. So I will in this case I'm creating a simple for loop where it starts from 0 and until the length of the array, that we use this notation to have to iterate over the array until the last element. So we are going just one by one, and here we will put the product. We will try to create the product of the element that is in the scope of the iteration by the following one. Now there we have a temporary variable. This name, you could use another one. I think that this is very useful, very descriptive, and as you can see, it uses just this variable and multiplies by the following item or elements. Now we will check if the first product is smaller than this value in that moment of the iteration. So now what we are doing is checking if the first product is less than the temporary in the scope of the step of the iteration. We will replace the value of first product by the value of temporary, and it will do this each time it goes through the iteration. So it will assign the bigger product of the numbers in first product variable for each time. And at last what we are doing is just returning the first product that will hold the bigger value, the largest product. So we will run the test to see if it is correct. So as we can see, it is correct. We will just click submit, and this was the one solution to adjacent elements product from CodeSignal algorithm in Java.